In the last video, we learnt words with the root philae, which means love. Let's revise them. Philanthropist. A philanthropist loves mankind. The root anthropos means humans. Thus, a philanthropist is a person who donates time, money, experience, skills or talent to help create a better world. Philatelist. A philatelist is a person who loves to collect or study postage stamps. Next word is cynophile. A cynophile is a dog lover. Philosophy. Philosophy is the study of theories about the meaning of things such as life, knowledge, and beliefs. The roots phil means love and sophos means wisdom. Cinephile. A cinephile is a person who loves movies. We also learnt the technique of generating words with the suffix phile. Look at the 5 words on the screen and try to guess what these people love. Now let's learn 5 new words today with the root astro. Astro means star. Just like always, there is a surprise word at the end, so keep watching. Astronomy. Astronomy is the science of stars and other celestial bodies. Astrology. Astrology is the study of the movements of the planets, sun, moon, and stars, with the belief that these movements can have an influence on people's lives. Asterozoa. Asterozoa is the starfish family. Asterisk. An asterisk is a star-shaped symbol used in printing and writing, to direct the attention of the reader. Astrophile. An astrophile is a person who loves stars or astronomy. And now, are you ready for the surprise? And the word is disaster. Dis means ill, and aster means star. In the olden days, it was believed that the unfavorable position of stars caused unfortunate events. Now let's recap. Astronomy, astrology, asterozoa, asterisk, astrophile, and last but not the least, disaster. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked it, then please like, share and subscribe to the channel. And if you have any suggestions regarding the words you want to learn or have difficulty in understanding, please write to me in the comment section below.